Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to secure your KuCoin account by setting up Google Authenticator for two-factor authentication. If this helps you, hit like so more people can find it. First, download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. For iOS, search for Google Authenticator in the App Store. For Android, search in Google Play. Next, log into your KuCoin account, click on your profile in the top right corner, and go to Security. Then, Google Verification. Click Configure to start linking Google Authenticator. You'll need to verify your identity using your passkey, email, or SMS code. If one method fails, you can switch to another verification method and confirm the code. Once verified, open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Scan the QR code provided by KuCoin or enter the key manually. The app will start generating a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. Enter this code on KuCoin to complete the setup. Make sure to save your backup key or QR code somewhere safe. This is important in case you change your phone or need to recover your Google Authenticator. For Android, if your codes are off, go to the app's settings and select Time Correction. For iOS, ensure your date and time settings are correct and enable 24-hour display if needed. That's it. Now your KuCoin account is much more secure with two-factor authentication. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more crypto security tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.